Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoDaddy account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get your GoDaddy Pay QR code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want a QR code for your GoDaddy Pay anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing live streaming, you know that if you have a QR code to your GoDaddy Pay, your viewers can go ahead and be directed right into a payment link. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in GoDaddy.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my GoDaddy account, as you can see right here. Now, to get the QR code to your GoDaddy Pay, here on this top bar, you're going to click on Commerce. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options, but you want to look for this one, Accept Payments, and there's a button here called All Payment Processing Options. Okay, once you click there, you want to click on this Get Started button. Okay, once you click there, it's going to open up your GoDaddy Pay, and what you want to do is just scroll down until you see this button here, Create Pay Link. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and set up the pay link. So if you're doing live streaming, let's say live stream donation, and you can do a description, support my work. Here you can go ahead and add an image, and you can see it's kind of populating here on the right. This is what they're going to see when they scan that QR code. And let's say the price is support me with $1,500. Now, if this is some sort of a donation, you can check this box, and that way your customers can go ahead and enter in whatever they want to contribute to you, but that's up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it at 1,500. And then here you can go ahead and create a custom link. So let's do live stream donation. Okay. And next you want to click create pay link. Okay. Quick second later, you're going to see your pay link right here as a URL. So you can share this in like a Facebook post, in your Twitter link. But if you're looking for the QR code, it's going to be here to the right. And all you're going to do is download QR code. And once you've downloaded it, you can go ahead and print it out, and then you can just post it in your live stream or wherever you normally post your QR codes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your GoDaddy Pay QR code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it, or even make one. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.